Most people think of the internet as one giant place. But the truth is, the internet has layers, and most of us only use the top one. Let's break it down. At the very top, we have the surface web. This is the part of the internet that search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo can see and index. News websites, online stores, social media, blogs. If you can Google it, it's part of the surface web. It might seem huge, but it's actually just a small slice of the whole internet. Underneath that is the deep web. The deep web contains all the content that search engines can't access. That includes private databases, password-protected websites, internal company tools, and content behind paywalls. Think of your online banking account, your private emails, medical records stored by a hospital. None of that is visible to the public or indexed by search engines, but it's still part of the internet. The deep web isn't illegal or shady, it's just private. And it's massive. Experts estimate it's hundreds of times larger than the surface web. And then we go deeper. Inside the deep web lives the dark web. This is a specific hidden part of the internet that's intentionally concealed. You can't access it with a regular browser. You need special tools like the Tor browser, which lets you visit websites with an Onion extension. The dark web is where anonymity is baked in by design. People use it to avoid censorship, share sensitive information, or communicate under oppressive regimes. But yes, it's also where illegal markets, hacking services, and other dangerous activities live. That's why it's important to understand not just how to access it, but how to navigate it safely and ethically. Let's go over that one more time. Surface web, public, searchable, everyday websites. Deep web, private, hidden from search engines, but still legal and commonly used. Dark web, intentionally hidden, anonymous, requires special tools, and comes with both value and risk. Once you understand these layers, the internet starts to look a lot less like a flat page, and a lot more like a deep ocean. And in this course, we're diving deep. In the next lesson, we'll show you exactly how to start protecting your identity before you ever set foot beyond the surface web. See you there.